When I'm at this section of Lake Houston, I look off into the lake and I see a great future for Houston. And this will be the future water supply for the city of Houston, for its surrounding region, and all of its citizens for the next 50 to 100 years.
The area is growing at a rapid pace. More businesses are coming into the region, and water is one of those essential ingredients that all residents, the community, the business community, all heavily rely on.
So where we are today is we have an 80 million gallon per day drinking water facility that was commissioned in 2006, and it was a joint partnership between the City of Houston, North and Central Harris County Regional Water Authorities. The future of the plant, the expanded facility, is going to continue to allow the City of Houston to produce superior water that exceeds all the regulations, but also exceeds all our customers' expectations.
We are expanding the capacity of the existing 80 million gallons a day water treatment plant to 400 million gallons a day. And the reason behind the expansion is because over decades, Houston has gone through subsidence. And primarily that's because historically we've been using a lot of groundwater instead of surface water.
We have a clay structure such that as the water is withdrawn, the clays settle like a deck of cards would, and there's no way to resuspend that and recover that settling. So that's called subsidence. And that can contribute to water ponding and eventually flooding in a certain area.
The Houston area is prone to flooding, and so we can't afford to have our ground surface lower than it is now. By providing this expansion project and providing surface water as a replacement to groundwater, we are hoping to slow down or eliminate the rate of subsidence in this area.
It is going to be built in multiple phases. The first module, which will contain 80 million gallons a day production capacity, will be brought online and deliver water in 2022, and the remaining 3 modules will be brought online in 2024.
The plant will produce a substantial amount of the region's drinking water for generations to come at a very cost-effective price.
So the project will include a new intake out on Lake Houston, and then there'll be 2 pipelines from that intake to our new treatment facilities that we're going to build next to our existing plant. And those new facilities will include coagulation, flocculation, sedimentation, which are used to purify the water. And then we add ozone to the water, which is a really powerful oxidant that will help disinfect and purify the water even more. And then finally there'll be filtration and then pumping that'll send it out into the system. Ozone will be a big benefit to this project. It's a newer technology that we're adding into this process that the existing plant doesn't have, and it provides a lot of benefits from disinfection and then its ability to make the water have less taste and odor.
There are currently 4 regional water authorities that are converting to surface water. We are all working together, sharing the cost of the new water purification plant. We will be sharing the cost of the major distribution pipeline to get the water to our area.
It is a very innovative and collaborative approach where we're partnered with the Houston Water Works team to do a progressive design build. In a progressive design build, we're actually partnered with the contractor before we have the design complete. They're helping us look for innovation, they're helping us look for efficiencies, and it is a way for us to have the constructor part of making sure that the decisions we make along the way are the best for operations, for efficiency, and for overall sustainability for the project when it is built.
I kind of see this as a team of all-stars. Most engineering projects, you have one engineering company that's taking the project from beginning to end. In this case, because we have 5 participants with the different authorities, it's a unique opportunity for the best of the best to get together and collaborate and come up with a really special project.
So it's important for us to be good neighbors. We want to preserve the natural beauty of that part of Houston, and we want to ensure that folks feel good about this facility from the outside.
During the construction of this project, there will be a lot of equipment that's coming in and out. There will be a lot of activity that's happening on the site. But we're going to work hard during the construction to make sure we keep dust down. We have all of the construction coming off of one of the frontage roads, not coming through any of the neighborhoods. And then the fence that will be put to secure our facility will actually be designed with aesthetics to complement the neighborhood.
One of our goals in this project is to be a good neighbor and leave it looking very nice from the neighbor's perspective. So we're going to try and do our best to leave tree buffers around the edges and do a lot of replanting and just, at the end of the day, really make this something that we can all be proud of.
We want to hear from the public about any concerns that they may have on this project, and we have a number that they can call. We also have social media available. We also have the website set up for this particular project. They can go onto that website and subscribe on that website so they will be updated constantly when any change on the project happens.
I look at it as an opportunity for Houston to shine. This is an opportunity for folks to come look at a plant that will be and should be the best in class.
This is a project that will serve generations to come. This is a project that will give clean, safe drinking water to the community and will also reduce dependence on groundwater and reduce the subsidence.
The City of Houston provides great water, and the robustness of this plant design will ensure that we can do that well into the future.
This is a major, major project utilizing state-of-the-art technology, innovations, collaborations, partners in order to make it happen, benefiting the entire region.